Your phone doesn't remember who you are. But in 5 years, that's going to sound as absurd as saying your car doesn't have wheels. I'm not talking about a slightly smarter Siri. I'm talking about a fundamental shift in how machines interact with us, one that will make every AI you've used so far feel like a stranger who forgets your name the second you turn your back. Let me explain. Right now, every time you talk to an AI assistant, whether it's ChatGPT, Alexa, or Google Assistant, you start from scratch. It's like walking into a coffee shop where the barista has amnesia every single morning. You order the same latte, they ask your name again, you spell it out, and they still get it wrong. This isn't just inefficient, it's inhuman. Real intelligence isn't just about processing information, it's about continuity. It's about remembering that you hate cilantro, that you're allergic to peanuts, that your dog's name is Max, and that last week you were obsessed with quantum computing but now you're deep into fermentation science. Personal AI memory is the technology that finally changes this. Think of it as giving AI a persistent, evolving sense of identity, not just for itself, but for you. Instead of isolated interactions, every conversation builds on the last. The AI remembers your preferences, your habits, your goals, and even your emotional state. It learns not just what you say, but who you are. And this isn't science fiction. This is happening right now, in labs and in products that are quietly rolling out. Let's break down what this actually means. First, there's the technical side. Memory in AI isn't about storing every word you've ever spoken, that would be a privacy nightmare and computationally insane. Instead, it's about creating a dynamic knowledge graph that captures the essence of your relationship with the machine. It remembers key facts, but also patterns. For example, if you always ask for Italian restaurant recommendations on Friday nights, it will start suggesting places before you ask. It notices that you get more irritable after 10 p.m. and adjusts its tone accordingly. This is the difference between a tool and a companion. But here's where it gets really interesting. Once AI has memory, it can become proactive. Instead of waiting for your commands, it anticipates your needs. Imagine your calendar app reminding you to buy a birthday gift for your mom because it remembers you mentioned her birthday in a conversation last month. Or your car suggesting a route that avoids traffic because it knows you're running late for a meeting, based on your tone and typing speed. This is the holy grail of human-computer interaction, a system that doesn't just respond, but understands. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The obvious elephant in the room is privacy. If your AI remembers everything, who owns that memory? Is it stored locally on your device, or uploaded to the cloud? Can it be hacked? Can it be subpoenaed? These are not trivial questions. Companies like Apple and Google are already racing to create on-device AI memory that never leaves your phone, but the trade-off is less powerful memory. On the other end, startups are building cloud-based systems that can remember years of interaction, but at the cost of potential surveillance. The battle between convenience and privacy will define the next decade of AI. But let's talk about the real game changer, autonomous agents. These are AI entities that don't just answer questions, but take actions on your behalf. With memory, an agent can manage your entire digital life. It can negotiate bills, schedule appointments, order groceries, and even write emails in your voice. And because it remembers your past decisions, it gets better over time. It knows you prefer window seats, that you always tip 20%, and that you hate early morning meetings. This isn't delegation, it's augmentation. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, never forgets, and is completely loyal to you. Now, I want to address the skeptics. Some people argue that AI memory is creepy, that it creates a digital stalker. But think about it, every human relationship is built on memory. Your best friend remembers your inside jokes, your partner remembers your favorite wine, your boss remembers your strengths. Why should our relationship with machines be any different? The problem isn't memory itself, it's control. The future isn't about erasing AI memory, it's about giving users full ownership and transparency. Imagine being able to see exactly what your AI remembers, edit it, delete it, or export it. That's not dystopian, that's empowering. Let's look at where this is already happening. We're seeing early versions in products like Rewind AI, which records everything you do on your computer and makes it searchable. Or the upcoming memory features in ChatGPT, which allow it to remember facts across sessions. These are baby steps, but they point to a future where every app has a persistent memory of you. The question is not if this will happen, but how fast. So what does this mean for you? If you're a creator, your AI could remember your audience's preferences and help you tailor content. If you're a business owner, it could remember every client interaction and suggest next steps. If you're just a regular person, it means your technology finally starts working for you, not the other way around. The bottom line is this: personal AI memory is the missing piece that turns artificial intelligence from a clever trick into a genuine extension of your mind. It's the difference between a calculator and a collaborator. And it's coming sooner than you think. The only question is whether you're ready to be remembered. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe to Agent Zero. We're tracking the most mind-blowing developments in AI and autonomous agents, and we're not slowing down. Hit that like button if you want to see more videos on the future of intelligence. And leave a comment, tell me if you trust your AI to remember your secrets. See you in the next one.